The second theory to explain the bonding of metals is bond model or valence bond theory. This theory was proposed by Pauling scientist. So therefore, this theory is so called which one? Resonance theory. According to this particular theory, around an atom of a crystal lattice surrounded by electrons of another metal. So therefore, according to this theory, every atom in the crystal lattice of a metal shares its electron with the surrounding atom. So therefore, due to sharing of surrounding atoms of an electron of a other metal ion or same metal ion, a bond is formed. So generally sharing of electron is nothing but what? Covalent bond. In generally what? Covalent bond. So that is the reason why according to this particular concept it may be a covalent bond. It may be a covalent bond type. So therefore every atom in the crystal lattice of a metal shares its electron with the surrounding atoms. Then second one is bond pairs are freely moved in the vacant of orbitals. Which pairs? When bond pairs are freely moved to the vacant of orbital. Which pairs? Bond pairs are easily moved towards vacant of orbital of an atom. Due to this particular reason, which are formed, resonating structures are formed. Which are formed whenever the bond pair of electrons move towards the vacant of orbital of a metal, which are formed, resonance structures are formed. For example, here is what? Lithium. Here is also lithium is combined with another lithium. Then due to presence of a vacant of orbital in lithium, okay, the bond pair of electrons. Which pair of electrons? Bond pair of electrons move towards here. This bond comes here. This bond moves here. Now direct this bond comes here. This bond goes here. So therefore Li. Here is also Li. Like this. Then if this lone pair of electrons completely moved here, this bond pair is completely moved to here, this bond pair is as such. So therefore lithium like this. Here Li carries which charge? Positive charge. Here is which one? Negative charge. Then again if a bond formed between this, if a bond comes direct like this, now Li, then here is negative, here carries which charge? Positive charge. So this type of resonance structures are formed. So therefore according to this particular theory, metallic bond is the combination of which one? Covalent and ionic bond. Okay, so this is one of the drawback of this particular theory. Okay, drawback, demerits. According to this theory, metallic bond is the combination of covalent bond plus covalent bond and which one? Ionic bond. Which bond? Ionic bond. Okay, so this about the theories related to which one? Metallic bond.